Why you come out and lie to us? You know nobody no spot Jayden. You know nobody no spot Jayden. You know that. Cause I know nobody else no come out and say them spot Jayden. You know nobody no spot Jayden. So you lie, you come out and make it look like Jayden is still alive. And people are spot him. Just you alone spot him. You lie. You lie. The principal is a liar. The principal never spot Jayden. Nobody knows spot Jayden. Him come out and insert himself just for mess with the investigation, and that's what you did. You mess with the investigation because you know said nobody spot Jayden, and you know when you come out and say that a man of your caliber, and you come out and say that, everybody are gonna believe you. You know what you do. Principal know exactly where I do. Him come out and him do this because him have him friends. And everybody are gonna believe him. And now, see the truth, yeah? The man come out and openly lie to us. There's no more sugarcoating. The man is a liar. The principal is a liar and a serpent. Him come out and him lie to the Jamaican people. Nobody see Jayden. Nobody. Nobody, only him alone. And when him come out and do this, him no sense to go mess with the investigation. And at that it do. It stall the investigation because him come out and act like Jayden is still alive and him see Jayden. So now the investigation stall because you have your friends them, and when you come out and do this, everybody else believe you. But now you're a liar. Yes, the principal lied to us, people. Him lied to us. And him know the reason why I'm lying to us. The reason why the principal lied to us is because him a protect the long neck girl. Him a protect the auntie. Him a protect the lazy boy. Him a protect all of them because them and Bench and Batty. So, wanna see when we come out here and say everybody feel Jayden. Everybody feel Jayden. Every single body feel Jayden in a Jamaica. School feel Jayden. Churches feel Jayden. The police them feel Jayden. The politician them feel Jayden. The MP them feel Jayden. Everybody feel a child in a Jamaica because what is a poor child. Listen, I don't care who don't want to take up Jayden's case because all the bloggers them and it bagger. Listen, because the blogger them blagger. That should prevent Jayden from get justice. If we not do the right thing and we not full of corruption, we never have to come out here with our bagger self if we not do the right thing. We never have to come out here with the bagger self if we not there do the right thing. You understand? We never do the right thing. You understand? To be poor in a Jamaica is a damn crime. To be poor in a Jamaica is a damn crime. Jayden no deserve this. Jayden no deserve this. Jayden no deserve this. No picnic at all. No deserve this. There's nobody for rally for no picnic in a Jamaica. Once the principal come out and lie to the public, once the principal come out and lie to the public, on definitely see the corruption now. Why on the think him come out and lie to the public? Because he want to mess with the investigation. Him come out for show off the investigation like Jayden was alive. Somebody on YouTube asked me where's the mother. Alright. Somebody over YouTube asked me where is the mother. Listen. I want to tell you where is the mother. This is the problem in Jamaica. Used to be a village where raise kids. It used to be that. A village who raise other people kids. Take a village. Now when people come out and are ready for Jayden, una ask, where is the mother? You don't need the mother to get justice. We don't need the mother to get justice. If we stand on business and say enough is enough, no more our kids them are go missing and the police now look for them and corruption make police now look for them. If we stand up on business, this shit will stop. But if we continue to ask where is mother, where is you are the mother, you are the this. Listen, this is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. Nobody not supposed to come over here and ask where is the mother. We stand as the mother. We are the mother out here. We are the mothers. You understand? When one child missing, all of us should be hurt. When one pitney missing, every mother should be hurt. And if we stop ask the foolishness, and if we stop ask the rubbish, when one pitney hurt, every single mother should be hurting. That's the problem. That is why that 3-year, 4-year-old kid get locked up in the house 7 and 6 days at a time, 3 years straight. And the people them wait so long to get help for the baby. This is the problem. Can't sit down there and ask, where's the mother? Before I'm gonna go kick off the door and take out the baby and treat the baby like a mother. This is the problem. Yes. This is the problem. Yeah? Yes, you know all the one be mother for food the picnic. But when shit hit the door, you know want every mother to stand beside you know. Yeah. Where is Jayden's mother? What kind of question? All of we should be Jayden's mother. Every single one of we should be Jayden's mother. All of we who have picnic and know how we feel to have a child. And if your child goes 7 months, and you don't know where your picnic there, it should be a problem to you. You should feel affected. You should as a mother. You go ask for Jayden's mother there. Jayden's mother is every mother who out here and make them voice be heard. Listen to that. Every single mother who out here, night on top of night, and make them voice be heard. We are Jayden's mother. You don't have to be blood related. You understand? As long as you have a good heart and know say you would want that for your picnic. This is the problem with everybody. They worry about the wrong thing. So because if they see a baby in a house lock up and the mother lock the baby up and gone, when I go ask where is the mother? Before you go and rescue the baby. This is the problem in Jamaica. Nobody don't have no love for the body. Tell them to fight against each other. Nobody don't have no love for the body. Wanna come out here, wanna ask me if me a Jayden's mother. What I have to do with Uno if me a Jayden's mother? Me can't love a stranger and that you not tell me. Only my pitney alone me for love. Uno want to tell me so me can't love another people, somebody else pitney. A pitney when me not give birth to and that you not tell me. Well, Uno wrong. Uno wrong. Because me go always have the love for other people pitney. Me go always have love for other people pitney. I'm in a business where Jayden's mother want there. A 7 months down me out here. I fight for justice for Jayden. You understand? At the end of the day, when you never ask where is the police. Why don't you ask them question there? None of you ask where is the police. Where is the police? Why we not get justice for Jayden? None of you ask that. That's not important. For Jayden's mother important. One thing important to me is for see everybody who do something to Jayden get locked up. Yes, everybody are worried about mother. Where the mother there? Well, yeah, mother. Yeah, this. No, me's not in mother. Me's not in mother. But at the end of the day, I claim him as my son. When you don't like it, well, bite it. But sorry, anybody who don't want to follow me, don't follow me. Because when it come on to a child, and you don't have no heart for your child, you shouldn't be over my platform. Anybody who come over here and ask me silly question, like where is the mother?